Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Kathy, and today we'll be giving you a full tour of our student training center, where we host our Pompano Beach epoxy flooring classes, where we teach you a full beginner's guide on how to start an epoxy flooring business. This right here is the mainstay headquarters of Xtreme Polishing Systems. The units that Chris Lavin does own is to help facilitate the best possible experience for our students. Since the huge success of the Pompano classes, we've expanded exponentially to include locations such as Las Vegas, Dallas, Boca Raton, and Orlando. The Pompano location offers full 5-day classes. However, locations and times are highly susceptible to change, so check out the website and see what's available at the time you're watching this. Or better yet, call the number on screen now and ask a sales rep. What's up guys? As you can see here, Robert's giving a live lecture, a live orientation. This is the first day of one of the classes. So each day is going to comprise of being in here in Genieland with the bookwork. So he's going to break down all the science and the lectures and the numbers as to why we do the things we do. And then with every lecture, he's going to go over to the Student Facility Center, where you're going to get a chance to work with the materials and the equipment. So every day it's going to be practice and it's going to be lecture. All right, everybody, now we're finally here in person in the student facility. Now we're gonna take a little walk around. Here's the man of the hour, Robert Maviglia, the instructor of the Pompano Beach classes. So Robert, tell us exactly why. So a lot of people say they can just learn online or learn on YouTube on their own and they can have the same effect. What would you say, why would somebody wanna take a class about this?
Well, YouTube, the internet's a great place to get ideas, but to get in-depth, detailed information and avoid a lot of problems that the internet might not show you, that's why you want to come to a class in person. It's one-on-one, we talk with people individually, we talk to the group so that everybody's getting the same information. I'll answer questions that are pertinent just to you, so you'll get that one-on-one attention that you deserve. Yeah, I'm glad you guys are here. We have a beautiful space here. It's 3,500 square feet. We've got sections of the floor that you're going to be working on. These are larger spaces than just tabletop, which is nice. You get to use all the tools and equipment that you'll use in the field. And while they're not full-size rooms, they'll give you a great understanding of how to apply the products. Again, all the chemicals that we're using are really not going to be good for us. So in the learning environment or in this space, we've gone ahead and installed a air vent system to pull some of that nasty air out of here. And we'll teach you how to work with that on your job sites, wearing masks and fans and so forth.
Right. And I understand that we don't just teach epoxy, right? No,
not at all. We also talk about and have a class on polished concrete as well as stains and sealers. Very important. We talk about self-leveling cement. We'll teach you how to install that properly. And that's good for underlayments as well as finished decorative floors. And everything's hands-on, guys. So we do classroom and hands-on, where you get to use all the tools and equipment. And you have an opportunity, as much as you want, to participate in 5 days of class. So when we're looking at some of the classes that you might find online, they might be 1 or 2 days. You're really not going to get the same amount of information that we're going to provide you here. And our class doesn't just include the process of polishing or epoxy. We're going to work with you with marketing. We're going to teach you about pricing. We're going to help you guys become successful. And we have everything here, from equipment, supplies, materials, marketing, as I just said, and support. So it's really one-stop shop to make you successful.
Right, and I see you guys have also put in a lot of effort to make sure this space is colorful and fun. There's murals on top of every wall.
Absolutely.
It's a great time being here.
Yeah, absolutely. We want everybody to have a good time while they're here. So we're going to do everything to make you guys comfortable. Chris doesn't spare any expense when it comes to the facility so that you guys get the best training experience that we can provide.
Absolutely. Yeah. And what's your personal history with Chris Lavin, or like what exactly makes you qualified to teach?
Well, I'm going on 10 years with Chris here at Xtreme Polishing Systems, and I started my decorative flooring in 2007, so got a couple of years under my belt. I've been out in the field, I've done project management, I've done estimating, so I'm pretty well rounded when it comes to the entire business, and I do enjoy sharing what I've learned over the years, and I want to share it with you guys. So now is my time to kind of sit back and push you guys out of the nest and let you guys fly into your own business.
All right, guys, this is Nick Jensen with Xtreme Polishing Systems. Welcome to XPS Express Pompano Beach. This is our first ever location here. All right, as you come in and you look to your left, all right, we have a great wall of pigments. These are all powder metallics, over 100 different colors to choose from. Right above is our roller covers and squeegees. On the left side over here, we have all of our solid color pigments. Down below, our concrete stains and acid stains, all Ameripolish products. Stone tone. Down below that, we have our sample bags of flakes and quartz. Over here, we have a bunch of coating accessories and tooling to install.
Here's a continuation of all the sample boards we have. We have one of every color. And these in particular are gonna be the metallics. We got solid color concentrated pigments here, polyaspartic pigments, popcorn so you can eat while you wait. We got diamonds for every machine available on the market right here. And then here's our famous T200 and Quick Seal. If you haven't heard of it yet, I would definitely reach out to your salesman, it'll save your life.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Let me bring you on behind our counter over here. You're gonna see all your trusty base leader pigments over here, solid colors, all your fine glitter, chunky glitter, and your glitter flakes for your crazy floors. All your cup wheels over here, your 5-inch and 7-inch cup wheels for your edge grinding needs. All your polishing pads and your resin pads. And then you have your concrete cutting diamond blades up in that corner up there.
Hey guys, this is Nick Jensen over at the main XPS warehouse. Welcome back. As your first door on the right over here, we have a entire room full of concrete genies. Over here we have some of the backbones of the company. Santiago with close to 18 years here at the company. Dave, a brand new addition. Great addition over there. All right, and as we make our way this way, you can see we have all of our 4-head and 3-head baby mammoths, okay? We also have our mammoth grinders. All right, those are for industrial, commercial size projects. Okay, if you need something a little smaller, you're probably gonna go with the Genie. If you need an edge grinder, okay, you got your tiny Genie edge grinder here. We also do have a bigger unit as soon as you walk out this door as well. That room is overstocked with Genies. This room is overstocked with Genies and peanut mammoths and wallabies, so definitely give us a call.
Hey guys, here we have a lot of our Rock Hard USA. It's the #1 epoxy on the market. This shelf was actually fully stocked a few days ago. So the Rock Hard Revolution is alive and well. We carry all types of Spartacoat products, Laticrete, whatever you need. And now we'll come over here and give it to Alex.
Hey guys, so just to continue the tour of the warehouse, here's where we carry all of our flake. So all the standard colors we always have in stock. And then right now they're busy just getting orders, getting ready to get out. So here's some of the orders they're getting ready to ship out today. We ship out about $200,000 to $300,000 a day. There's some more rock hard poly behind us right here on this wall. And then there's some propane baby mammoths in the works being built right here. We got some of the pads for the burnishers and stuff like that. Our new super poly, 1.5 hour return to service, great product. New urethane, gets 600 to 700 square feet a gallon, you know, and we literally got everything you need. We got the poly pigments right here, and if we don't have it, we'll get it for you. So I'm gonna hand it off to Al.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Al over here. Over here, you're gonna see all your chip brushes, your magic trowels. Over here, we have a ton of different moisture vapor barriers, fast cure, regular cure products as well. You're gonna have your pre-pigmented fast cure epoxy, pre-pigmented regular cure epoxy, grays, whites, and blacks. Over here, we have some metallic pigments, your Longo pack bags, bag cement products back there, I almost forgot to mention. And then as we come into this room over here, Nick's gonna finish it off.
Hey guys, good to see you again. All right, we're in the famous back room at XPS Warehouse. Over here we have a huge stockpile of roller covers, pump sprayers, extra pigments. And then on the right side over here we have all of our diamond tooling, our PCDs, our Green Giant Ready Lock traps, 15 millimeters tall, highest segment on the industry. Definitely give us a call if you ever need anything for any kind of machine on the market. And thank you for touring the warehouse with us. Stay tuned, we have an even bigger one to show you coming up very shortly. Take it easy.